Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Palo Alto Panhandler on Ubuntu server using Docker. So first you need to go to docker.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. So first you have to come and copy this settings basically. So once you've done the repository, then you need to install the engine. And when you do this, basically you're testing to see if the Docker been installed properly. So you can see the message here shows that installation appears to work correctly. And the last bit for the Docker installation, you need to add your username to the Docker. So using this command, and then on the end, the user that you want. In my case is TechFrappy. Once you do this, you need to reboot. Once you reboot it, you need to install the Panhandler. So you need to come to this page, which I will leave the link in the description, and copy this link here to install the Panhandler. You're gonna get message that the container has been installed and it's ready to use. You can do docker ps, so you can check and see that is running on port 8080, and this is the link that usually you can add to open it if you're using same PC. As I'm SSHing to this box, so I have to use the IP address instead. Also, you can check with the curl command to make sure it's working. I had a few times where once I do this, it doesn't work, and the fix for me is to reboot the machine one more time once you do this. So if you have, should be 36, you can see it's failed to connect and doesn't want to connect to Panhandler. So the way I do fix this is reboot the machine and do the command again. So let's test it. Okay, so once you come back, you can see that Docker is running, not the Panhandler. So add it again, and okay, so it shows me that's been, you can see it's connected. So I'm expecting this one to work now. So if I come back here now and add it, you can see it's working. Also, you can see the password, the username is Palo Alto, and the password is Panhandler. And you can see it's working, and you log in. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoy Please subscribe and like it, and see you next time.